Hey everyone, this is James. Welcome to Welcome Legacy channel. This right here is my 2023 Gravely ZTX 42-inch deck. It's a residential mower. This mower has over 1,000 hours on it. This is what I started the business with, and this the only mower we had. We had this and a push mower. And we was mowing 150 plus yards a week with this thing. I had to replace the seat. I put no flat tires on the front. I replaced both hydros. It was like a tank. It kept running. It still runs to this day. We still use it every now and again. But I changed the oil respectively every 40 hours. And my filters, I changed it once a month. And it's lasted me. The light, kids ran into the back and broke the damn light. But this mower right here is what I started my business with. And like I say, it stopped. The hours stopped at 7,777. Well, 777. That's the hours that it stopped at, but that was a year and a half or so ago when it stopped at. And we've been running in business for 3 years. So, like I say, this is the Gravely ZTX 42 2023. It's what I started my business with. And it helped me get the job done. So it doesn't matter what you start with. It just matters more about the maintenance of the equipment. This is James. Welcome to Welcome Legacy channel.
Everybody talking, man, I'm finna blow my grind. Dynamite with gas views, doing what I choose. Had to boss up and show out and teach a new game. New age, old school, giving it to these new schools. Everybody talking, man, I'm finna blow my grind. Dynamite with gas views, doing what I choose. Had to boss up and show out and teach a new game. New age, old school, giving it to these new schools. Everybody talking, man, I'm finna blow. I came a long way from the corner, drinking like a fish. Served a lot of this, little this, and some of that. Took a lot of risks without a pot to piss, running back. Talent with a great mind, my eyes closed, I closed those. I stopped writing in pencil, wrote in pen, then it settled in. Greatness found me, knowledge tried to drown me by cutting all the damn snakes from around me. Distraction, hate, rolling dice on my own life. 7, then 11 again, lucky numbers rolling in. Don't need a drink, don't got nothing to celebrate. Good gas, blaze up, I take a toast. Write a hook on Einstein with the book, crafted my masterpiece. Cooking like fish, grease the boy, welcome off the leaf. Rap game, real beats, I just want my little piece. Hey man, I just want my little piece. Everybody talking, man, I'm finna blow my grind. Dynamite with gas views, doing what I choose. Had to boss up and show out and teach a new game. New age, old school, giving it to these new schools. Everybody talking, man, I'm finna blow my grind. Dynamite with gas views, doing what I choose. Had to boss up and show out and teach a new game. New age, old school, giving it to these new schools.